2021 Nissan Versa engine air filter. Here's the air filter. It costs about 22 bucks in AutoZone. You take these clips, pop them back. This housing has tabs that's tucked into here, so you're gonna have to pull it up and this way and at the same time type. Hold that.
What just flew off?
Garbage.
Ew.
So it was time to change that. So this part was down and this little tab was over here. That's the next thing I was gonna look at. You see this tab goes in here. So yeah. And I tuck these back in them holes. Flip these back up. That's kind of hard. That's one. That's two. And that's it.